Okay, we come to question 1, which is as follows. We come to question 1, which is simplify 2 open bracket y minus 3 close bracket minus 3 open bracket 2 minus y close bracket. Okay, so to solve this one, what we're going to do first is we are going to first write this expression. So we're going to write the expression, so the entire expression, which is 2 open bracket y minus 3 close bracket minus 3 open bracket 2 minus y. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand these expressions. So that means I'm going to multiply every element in brackets by the number which is outside. So 2 times y will give me 2y. 2 times negative 3 will give me negative 6. Negative 3 times 2 will give me negative 6. Negative 3 times negative y will give me positive 3y. Okay, now once I've done this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put like terms together. So I've got 2y, then 3y will come next to. So we're going to have plus 3y, then minus 6 again. Remember, this is minus 6. Okay, so we've written that. We say 2y plus 3y will give us 5y. Okay, which is negative 6 minus 6. So since we have got two negatives, negative 6 and negative 6, so the signs are the same. We're going to indicate the sign, which is a negative sign, then we combine 6 and 6, which will give us 12. Okay, and this is the answer. So here where it's written answer, we're going to write 5y minus 12. Okay, so basically that's how you go about that one. Okay, if you have got questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section.